Good morning, guys. I trust you guys are doing well. Today, I am going shopping on a budget today to the dollar store to do a little decoration in the kitchen. So come go with me, guys, as I go shopping. Let's see what we can find to do some decoration on a budget this year. Thank you guys for coming back. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let me first get myself a trolley. Oh, the trolleys are outside. Let's go back out to get a trolley. Okay. Guys, look at the bags. You can put your gifts in. They have stockings and everything is $1.25. Although the store says $1, it's actually $1.25. And these are some clear bowl. Ornaments. Guys, there's so much different things that you can decorate on a budget from the dollar store and make it look like you spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So let's see what we can find. So these are there are some bowls here. Oh my goodness. There's no place like home. You know they say there's no place like home. Well, it says there's no place like home. Guys, look at these little houses, and it's a miniature, so they have little lights in it. So I guess we can put the lights on it and let it glow. Look at the decoration, guys. You can make a nice little decoration on your Christmas tree. I kind of like this one here, you know. The little sleigh. That's a pretty. Okay. Do you have a stick or something I can pull this down? Excuse me. Oh my goodness. Hello? Let me see if I can reach it. Let's look at these white balls. They're pretty, huh? You can surely decorate on a budget inside. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way, all the way. Oh, it's fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, hey, hey. Now guys, let's go look for something that I do not need right now, but just to walk around in the dollar store so I can show you guys. Those of you who elsewhere do not have a dollar store, or to y'all who do have a dollar store. Look at those ribbon. Those are so nice. Oh, look at that green. Oh my god, that is, and it's 2 in the pack for $1.25. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna get me one of those. I think I'm gonna put these in my truck. Yep. Let's see what else I can get up here. Let's see what else. Look at that silver there. Okay. Look at that silver. Oh my god, almost too short to get this. Oh, let's see if we get it off. Oh, okay. Finally. Okay, it looks good up there, but now that I have it down, not too much with that one. Okay. Those are really nice. I guess there's the party stuff down in the back here. Oh, they have a lot of boxes that they are unpacking. Okay. They are restocking the shelves. Like I said, guys, I am decorating my daughter's kitchen this year on a budget from the dollar store. You can do it. Come up with your little ideas, watch videos, watch other things, and you get ideas from other people too to know how to decorate. It is easy on a budget at the dollar store. I know the dollars add up, you know, but still, it still beats those expensive stores when you pay like $10 and $8 for one item when you can get it here for $1.25 each. So you can really decorate. So come on guys, decorate with me. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. There was something else I saw here. I love this joy piece. Oh wow. I wonder where I can hang this. It's nice. Oh my goodness. Look at it. It's the most wonderful time of the year, and that's for sure. It is the most wonderful time of the year. The Christmas season, it is the most wonderful time of the year. Guys, I'm bucking up this stuff. Trying to look at these shelves while I walk and push this trolley. Okay, we'll have and stuff. I guess these for kids or for the whole. Don't know. Decorating on a budget. What else do I need to look at in the store? I think that's it. Oh yeah, hooks. I need to give me some hooks. Let's see. There's a little wave. Oh. If I get this, this thing here. I like these. You can use them for different things, but they are in the color. Artificial eggs. They look like the real eggs, hey, but they are not. They're actually plastic. Yeah. Which is what I Guys, I have a little cold going on. So I'm gonna get me one of these halls here. Help support the immune system. Okay, I think I need the relief of this one. I don't know. Original horror cough, no. Cherry, no. I think we're gonna know these. There it is. Look at those. Hydrogen peroxide spray. I've never seen a spray before. Price age. Okay. Trays. Here's I'm looking for. Oh, there we go. Some hooks. I need some of these hooks right here. Okay, we're gonna pack with 4 now. 3? Only 3 right now? Oh my goodness. Clear it. One more for good measure, just in case. I always have a backup plan. And I think that's it for me in the dollar store today. So we can get home and start decorating. And let's see what else is in the store. Maybe we could get this in problem. You know, the dollar still adds up, but it's still on a budget. Hand sanitizer, soap, hand wash soap. All sorts of things you can find in this dollar store. There's a little of everything, so can't go wrong. Cabinets, look at them, look. My goodness. I love it. I truly, truly love it. I don't know about you guys, but I love it, love it. Yes. So it doesn't have to take much, you know, to do your little decoration. See how I break up the pattern from that pattern there to this pattern here. I break it up a little bit and then I continue on with the other pattern. And a little thing over the little cabinets. Look at that. Look. Guys, listen. Listen, man. Get yourself down to the dollar store if you have a dollar store in your area and do so. It is simple. Very simple to do. You just put your mind to it and you can do it. Huh? Yes, you can do it. Decorating the kitchen on a budget. Yeah, guys, this is not my kitchen. This is my daughter's kitchen. Oh, boy. But I love the result of my decoration. And like I said, I have 1 or 2 little other things to do. And then I'll be finished. But this is what it is. Leave your comments down at the bottom. Let me know what you think about my decorating. And let me know if you like it. Please share this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Yeah, man, give your girl that thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so whenever I upload videos, you will be notified. Come on, guys. Come on. Give Grandma some love. Yes, give Grandma some love. I love it, love it, love it. I love you guys, and please don't forget, share the video. Give a girl that thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. Yes. And this is, yes, here it comes. Judy May's life. Yes, guys, this is my life, and I'm going to live it to the fullest. Thank you, guys. I love you guys, and please don't forget to come back and watch my videos. Give it that thumbs up. Leave a comment. Yes, I love you guys, and I will chat with you all later. Love you.